What if a car leaves the factory with dirt still on it, affecting quality and safety? Even small contamination can impact inspection results and reduce reliability in modern vehicle systems. We start by capturing high-quality images of vehicle surfaces using industrial camera setups. We collect diverse data, including dust, mud, and water stains under different lighting conditions. Next, we annotate dirt regions using tools like CVAT to train the model effectively. These labeled images are used to train a deep learning model using PyTorch. We use YOLO V8 to quickly detect dirt on vehicle surfaces directly from images. With training, the model improves and detects even small and subtle dirt patterns. Now the system performs real-time dirt detection directly from live camera feeds. However, reflections, shadows, and lighting variations still create challenges for accurate detection. In the future, this can detect block sensors in autonomous vehicles and improve safety. It can also trigger automated cleaning systems to maintain vehicle readiness at all times. This is how AI is transforming vehicle inspection. Check the full project in the description.